Hey guys, welcome to this next episode of the Vegans Book / the Frenergy channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how much power organic banana produces. And by demonstrating, I am going to use this, once again, if you've seen in my previous videos, this thick copper wire strand piece that I cut off here. It's really thick. I believe the more surface area and metal you have, the more amperage and voltage you can produce. Even though copper is not very magnetic at all and it has a permeability of 1, I think the zinc screw is what helps support all of the power that's running through it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this and this right inside of the banana. Just got to make sure that they don't touch and short out. And we'll start to measure how much power we have. So just 1 second. Okay, so I have it wired in. I stuck it sideways and shoved it in as far as I could so the surface area of the metal can touch as much of the inside of the banana as possible. And I did the same thing with the zinc screw. So we're going to test the voltage. I'm going to put this on the 20 volt reading. And it seems that banana is only producing 0.88 of a volt. Let's see what the amperage is. Ooh. This one's even lower than the lemon. This is only producing 100 microamps, which is roughly 0.0001 of a watt. So once again, you would have to have a lot of bananas lined up. You'd have to have them lined up in series in order for your volts and amps to stack whatsoever. So, guess we can't really get too far with this video, can we, guys? It's about as much as we can produce. I mean, it does not drain in volts very fast, which is kind of different, but either way, you don't have much for power when it comes to bananas. So, on to the next video. The next one, I'm going to be testing out a potato. So, stay tuned, guys. Peace out.